Hello everyone, on today's episode of Wok The Talk with the Blue Dry Foods, I Rakovine will be making Keema spring rolls. Mix in all the sauces and our veggies, then we'll be adding our plant-based chicken keema from the Blue Tribe. It is made up of soya extracts and is 100% vegetarian. Mix it in and our stuffing is ready. Then add 2 tablespoons of the stuffing into the spring roll wrapper, and I'm using cornstarch water to seal it tight. Roll it up and our spring rolls are ready. Now we just have to fry them till they're golden brown and our spring rolls are ready. As a non-vegetarian, I know how a chicken tastes like, and to be really honest, I was shocked because it really does taste like chicken. Well, I hope you guys will try it out and you can read my caption for more details.